Good morning, students. I hope last chapter you've cleared out properly and we have done in the live class also, and the assignment all are completed. Now, today we start with a new chapter, that is simple interest. First of all, I'll tell what is simple interest. I have not written nothing, I have done in 7 also, might be 6 also. Simple interest is that suppose you are keeping a money in any of the financial institution, means not the institution, means financial company or kind of a bank or any other. Suppose how much interest, means how much extra money you are getting after keeping the money for 1 year or 2 year or 3 year or 4 year, depends on the procedure you keeping the money in the bank. Then from here, interest means what? The extra amount. That means if you are keeping 10,000 in 1 year, after 1 year if you get is 11,000, that means what? 1,000 you are getting extra money. That 1,000 how we are getting, we will be calculating with the help of the formula. See, some abbreviations have written. P I have written what? Principal. That is the main amount which you are keeping in the bank or any of the financial company. R is the rate, I mean how much rate is given. It is given 5%, 2%, 10%. It depends on the different companies. And T is given what? Time. How much year? How many years you will win? 2 years, 4 years, 10 years. How many years you are keeping, that you have to write it. And SI is for simple interest. We call as the interest also. The formula is that simple interest equals to P into R into T by 100. Now after getting simple interest, we are getting the amount formula. The amount means principal plus interest. Simple interest or interest, the same thing, principal plus interest. Now I have written one example. In a SBI bank, Rohan deposited rupees 10,000 in a fixed account. After 2 years, how much amount will he get? Will he get if the rate of interest is 10%? If the rate of interest is 10%. Then from here, first your duty, it write down the data first. P is given what? 10,000. See, the amount is deposited is the 10,000. Time is given how many years you are keeping? 2 years. And rate is given what? 10%. Now they have told to find out the amount, but before the amount we need to find out the interest. Why? As because we know that amount formula is principal plus interest. Then before that we find out the interest with the help of this formula. See, now I have written over here interest equals to P into R into T by 100. That is 10,000 into 2 into 10 by 100. After cancelling out, we are getting 2,000. That is rupees 2,000 getting. Now we have to find out the amount. Amount after 2 years. That means what? Amount is what? 10,000. Sorry, principal is what? 10,000. 10,000 means what? See the principal written over here. And interest is coming what? 2,000. 10,000 plus 2,000 giving what? 12,000. That means what? After 2 years, if you are keeping the money for 10,000, if you are keeping the money 10 years, 10,000 for 2 years at the rate of 10%, you will be getting the amount is 12,000. That means 2,000 extra money you are getting. That is the interest. Now to find out the principal, we use the formula what? This one. P equals to I into R by I into 100 by R into T. Next, this formula came what? This formula came from the transposing this formula only. Okay. Now to find out time also, T equals to I into 100 by P into R. And to find out the rate, this is also same, I into 100 by P into T. Now one question I have taken from the exercises. See, in 4 years time, how much will rupees 3650 amounts to at 6% per annum? PA means per annum, per year, that is. Per annum means per year. Rate of interest. That rate of interest is 6%. Now from here, we have to write down the data first. Data is what? P equals to what? 3650. Rate is given 6%. And time is given 4 years. We have to be very careful. See, in many questions, some might be having confusion. Which is principal? What is amount? That you have to find it out. But you have to find it out which is principal. Clear? then time is given what, 4 years. Then SI formula is what, given what, after getting this one we got what, rupees 876. Then from here you have to find out the amount formula. What is SI plus principal, that means what, SI is 876 plus 3650 principal, that is coming final answer, that is 4526. Okay, I hope you have understood this chapter also and these questions what you have done, and some homework I have given over here. I written, I'll be giving the PDF form. And very important thing, you keep in just watch this video properly, that at the last exercise 11.1 is there in the syllabus and 11.2 is deleted. In your syllabus it is written that 11.2 and 11.2 is written deleted, but 11.2 is written nothing. It will be 11.1, it is there in the syllabus. Make a correction in your syllabus also. Okay, I hope you have understood. Have a nice day. Goodbye.